Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Furnace Academia School online classes, and today we are going to do grade 6 subject science. Topic is reproduction in plants and subtopic is reading plus explanation of page number 14 and 15. Student, last day we have studied the page number 12 and 13, that was the start of the chapter. So today we are going to continue that chapter. Okay, so you must have your science book with you. Take a pencil in your hands and read it with me, and you have to understand what I am saying. Okay, on page number 14 we have a topic that is fertilization. Student, do you remember last day we have studied that हमारे पास जो है reproduction के methods and different and steps. First step was pollination. Pollination was, what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from one flower to other flower for the reproduction process. So after the pollination, the second step is fertilization. So you must look at the book, please. After pollination comes the fertilization stage. Within the stigma, pollen fertilize an egg. When it reaches the pistil, the egg within the flower is called an ovule. अच्छा class, pollination के बाद कौन सा process आता है? The next one is fertilization. So this is the pistil. This area of the flower is called pistil, and pistil has a ovary, and ovary has an egg that is called ovule. Sorry, ovary has an egg that is called ovule. So when the pollen in the process of pollination के process में जब pollen will reach here in the ovary, in the pistil area. So the ovary has ovule, that is an egg. Okay, egg है flower का. So pollen and egg will fertilize together, will join together, and the joining of the ovule and pistil is pollen is called fertilization. जब pollen और जो ovule हैं egg जब वो combine हो जाएंगे, that process is called fertilization, and ovule is present in the pistil area of the flower. Okay, the fertilization process produces fruit with seeds such as fleshy fruit like oranges and watermelons. Other are dry like corns or walnut. Many animals consume these fruit as food. After eating the fruit, animals excrete waste that include the seed. In this method, the seed gets spread to locations that are far from the plant that generate a new plant. Class, when the ovule and the pollen will join together and fertilization occurs, ठीक है, fertilization होगी, then it will the ovary becomes a fruit of the plant. Ovary convert हो जाएगी किसमें? Fruit में, and fruit must have seed in it. Okay, and different animals, watermelon, oranges, corn, walnuts, these are the fruits of the plant. So when the fruit will be consumed by different animals, and different animals उन fruit को consume करेंगे, and they will go away from the plant where the plant is. Plant जहाँ पे उन्होंने जहाँ से fruit खाया है वहाँ से वो जो है ना वो यहाँ वहाँ spread हो जाएंगे, and when they move toward another place away from the plant from where they have eaten the fruit, so वहाँ से दूर जाएंगे, वहाँ पे they will do excretion. What is excretion? Removal of waste material. Sorry, from the body. So the waste of the animal must have seeds. जो fruit उन्होंने खाया है उसके जो seeds होंगे उनके waste में होंगे. Okay, and when where will be the seed? It will germinate into a new plant. वहाँ पे वो new plant हो जाएगा, और जहाँ से fruit उन्होंने इनका कंज्यूम किया है उससे बहुत दूर जाके excrete करेंगे, तो वो एक और new plant बहुत दूर उस एरिया से new plant उसका grow हो जाएगा, and that is called pollination of the seeds. So this is called fertilization. Next one is asexual reproduction. Students, most of the plants will be grown by seeds or spores, but there is another method in which plants will be grown by the part of the plant. For example, farmers have taken a potato slice or potato. Potato is not a seed. Potato is not a seed. It's a part of plant. So it will be buried under the soil, and after some time there we must have different more potatoes with the potato that we have buried in the soil. So when there is this is the method of asexual reproduction is the method of growing plant from one parent. किसी भी एक पेरेंट से होंगे, उसमें हमारे पास जो प्लांट के जो रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स होते हैं जिनको आप कहते हैं सीड्स और ये पोलन और ओव्यूल, इससे नहीं न्यू ग्रो प्लांट होता न्यू, बल्कि किसी भी पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट से ग्रो किया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कोई स्टिक लगा दी, रोज की स्टिक्स लगती हैं, आपने जो है वो अनियन लगा दिया, आपने पोटैटो लगा दिया, दैट इज द मेथड ऑफ डूइंग एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। इसमें आप कोई सीड्स या स्पोर्स को यूज नहीं करते, कोई और प्लांट पेरेंट सेल नहीं होते हमारे पास, कोई ओव्यूल कोई पोलन्स नहीं होते। we will use the part of the plant and it will grow into one new plant. So this is called asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the process of reproducing without the use of reproductive cell. It is a type of reproduction in which only one parent produces an offspring और बिल्कुल आइडेंटिकल होगा, जैसा पोटैटो आपने लगाया वैसा ही पोटैटो ही आपके पास आएगा। ये नहीं कि पोटैटो लगा रहे हैं और आपके पास अनियन आ रहे हैं, नो, इट विल बी आइडेंटिकल टू द पार्ट दैट यू हैव buried in the soil for the new plant. So this is it. Asexual reproduction is called vegetative propagation और इसको आप कहते हैं vegetative propagation, मतलब फैलते हैं आगे। आप देखिए एक पोटैटो के साथ बहुत सारे पोटैटो लगे होते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड vegetative propagation, that is will be done in the asexual reproduction. A new plant can sprout from a single leaf or a part of plant, stem or root under appropriate conditions. Conditions भी होंगी, प्रॉपर वाटर, टेम्परेचर और सॉइल मिनरल्स वगैरह होंगे तो ही न्यू प्लांट जो है वो ग्रो होगा। इसमें हमारे पास we have two methods of asexual reproduction, natural and artificial. The first one is natural. Natural asexual reproduction occurs when plant produce on their own. Potato, ginger and onion all grow and reproduce from underground. Vegetable reproduction is a method of asexual reproduction that occurs in a parent's plants, leaf, stem और ट्यूबर्स। ऐसा इसमें ट्यूबर्स होते हैं, पोटैटो जो पोटैटो से ग्रो होंगे वो पोटैटो के ट्यूबर्स कहते हैं। बल्ब में अनियन की एग्जांपल आ जाती है, इसको हम बल्ब कहते हैं, अनियन के प्लांट को, अनियन को सॉरी। रनर्स में मिंट, कोरिएंडर, ये सब हमारे पास जो है वो ज़्यादा रनर्स कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पूरा फैल जाते हैं। So on the ground, so this is called runner. और इस जो नेचुरल मेथड है उसमें नेचुरली जो है वो ग्रो होते हैं। पोटैटो आप लगा दें और उससे बहुत सारे नए पोटैटो जो है वो ग्रो हो जाएंगे। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट। वी हैव डन टू डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, फर्टिलाइजेशन and asexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction has two methods, natural and artificial. We have discussed natural method, so we will discuss the artificial one in the next class. Please revise it, learn it and do your homework as well. Thank you very much for the day. Allah Hafiz.